Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can verify your Facebook profile. So it's pretty simple. For this, you need to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen and then click on the setting icon at the top right. Then click on where it says see more in account center, which is in blue color. From over here, click on where it says meta verified. Once you click on meta verified, it's going to show you waitlist option. So you need to click on the blue waitlist option and then your account is going to be on the waitlist. Now to verify your Facebook account, Facebook is first going to check if your account has followed the terms and service. Once it checks that, then it's going to send you a notification saying you're okay to verify your account. You're going to get the notification on the notifications tab at the bottom of your screen. And on your notification section, you will get a notification from Facebook saying meta verification allowed, and you can click on that verification and it's going to take you to the verification process. But until and unless you get a notification to verify your Facebook profile, you can't do that. Wait for the notification, and once you get it, click on it, and then it's going to ask you to pay. So you need to pay $14 per month to verify your Facebook account. So if you're okay with that, you can pay and then provide Facebook all the necessary details and document, and then your verification process will be complete. So that's how you guys can verify your Facebook profile. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.